Welcome to the JLPT N4 Kanji series. In this lesson, we will learn some basic N4 kanji together. Kanji number 1.
使える
This kanji generally means attend or doing. The Onyomi reading are.
信じ
The Kunyomi reading is.
使える
This kanji has two parts, person and gentleman. Together they mean attend or doing. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
仕方仕草仕方がない仕返し仕事奉仕仕方
Way.
仕草
Gesture.
仕方がない
There's no other way.
仕返し
Payback.
仕事
Work.
奉仕
Service. kanji number 2.
変わる
This kanji generally means substitute or change. The Onyomi reading are.
だいたい
The Kunyomi reading are.
変わる変わる変わり
This kanji has two parts, person and stick. Together they mean substitute or change. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
変わる一代代用変わり変える時代変わる
To succeed.
一代
Generation.
代用
Substitution.
変わり
Substitute.
変える
To replace.
時代
Period. kanji number 3.
持って
This kanji generally means by means of or because. The Onyomi reading is.
生き
The Kunyomi reading is.
持って
This kanji has four parts. One dot and person. Together they mean by means of or because. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
意外異常依然以下以後以降意外
Excluding.
異常
Not less than.
依然
Before.
以下
Not exceeding.
以後
After this.
行こう。
On and after. Kanji number 4.
会う。
This kanji generally means meeting or meet. The Onyomi reading are.
会え。
The Kunyomi reading are.
会う、合わせる、集まる。
This kanji has two parts, person and say. Together they mean meeting or meet. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
大会、会う、会社、社会、会話、出会う。大会、
Mass meeting.
会う。
To meet.
会社、
Company.
社会、
Society.
会話、
Conversation.
出会う。
To meet by chance. Kanji number 5.
住む。
This kanji generally means dwell or reside. The Onyomi reading are.
住、住、中。
The Kunyomi reading are.
住む、住まう、住まい。
This kanji has two parts, person and lord. Together they mean dwell or reside. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
住む。住人、住所、住民、住宅、移住。住む。
To live of humans.
住人、
Dweller.
住所、
Address.
住民、
Inhabitant.
住宅、
Residence.
移住。
Migration.